Clocking in with shifts in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to M365 Professional. For simple and convenient time tracking. With geodetection, use shifts in Microsoft Teams. To clock in at the beginning of the day, go to Shifts from the Viva Connections home screen, then press Time Clock. Select the team to clock into. Press and hold the Start button to activate the time clock. This puts the team member officially on the clock. Later in the shift, when it's time for a lunch break, hold the break button. The time clock starts tracking the time spent on break. After the break has ended, press and hold the break button to clock back in. At the end of the shift, go back into the time clock and hold the stop button. The shift has ended and the team member is officially clocked out for the day. Shifts can be connected to workforce management systems such as Blue Yonder, Kronos, and Reflexis, so everything is business compliant. Clock in and out faster with shifts in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.